guys, what's up? It's me, your Rebekah, and I'm back for you with a new Spooky Sunday and another 3 a.m. challenge. And so you all said I should definitely do this. And today at 3 a.m. we're going to cut open this Young Hee Squid Game doll, because maybe there could be something inside. The guard from Squid Game definitely left that with me. Yeah, what am I supposed to do with her? I don't know, I spent a night with her. Feel free to check it out. But this is the doll that usually plays with her red light, green light, with game. But she's pretty creepy. Not sweet. This is not a sweet, innocent doll. This is an evil doll. Yeah, if you look closely, you can see Young Hee's eyes. They look creepy, guys. There's a red dot. That means she has cameras inside, and I felt pretty watched by her. It also briefly lit up red. Guys, you definitely have to check it out while I was sleeping. The guard also came in and wants to play with me. He hasn't reached out yet. But I actually didn't sign up for that. To participate in Squid Game? No idea, so what am I supposed to do there? Guys, should I really play with him? If he reaches out, then definitely leave a thumbs up here. 12,000. Up, I mean that, but I don't know if that's such a good idea. Should I do it or not? You have to decide. Maybe he'll reach out when you've made a decision for me. Oh my god, what if that's really the case? Guys, no way! You definitely won't reach that. Then I don't have to play either. Spooky Sunday, that's why your spooky stories will be featured again. Of course, guys, I love all your comments. Thank you for that. And if you want to be part of Spooky Sunday again with your spooky story, then make sure to write in the comments, has anything strange or mysterious ever happened to you? Something creepy? Or maybe you've heard about it from someone or something. Maybe he told you a story from your town or something. Make sure to let me know. And yes, if you're new here, feel free to subscribe, activate the bell, and be part of Team Becky. And I would say let's go. Let's get to the first spooky story from Sophia. Better grab a grandma blanket now, guys. You're going to need them. She wrote, "Hey Becky, here's my spooky story." So my dad had a birthday. We were outside grilling until it already is. EY, that's just not normal anymore. What? That's a sign that your spooky stories are really spooky and cursed. We were outside grilling until it got really dark. At 3 a.m., my sister, my cousin, and I had the idea to go to the playground. Dude, that could be me. Then we heard some really strange noises and we got scared. So we decided to go home. On the way back, my cousin stopped and kept staring at a lamp. Suddenly, she ran away. My sister did the same thing. So I looked at the lamp on the playground too, and I saw a figure with black hair and a white dress floating under the lamp. What the? That's a ghost. Guys! Suddenly the figure started to run. I got so scared. I ran after my cousin and my sister and even past them because I was extremely scared. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever go to the playground at night again. P.S. Love your videos, I'm a big fan. Sending you lots of love. Thanks for your story. And how creepy is that, please? You should never visit the playground at 3 a.m. Now let's move on to the next spooky story from Bettina. She wrote, "Sending you lots of love. You are beautiful." Man, guys, you are beautiful. Becky, thank you. Here is my spooky story. So I used to be like that with my little cousin. They moved into a new house. She then said to me, "Right, let's go to the basement." But the basement hadn't been renovated yet. What does it mean that he looked pretty creepy? So we went down a flight of stairs, and only one light turned on there at first. My cousin went ahead because I was scared. When we got to the bottom, I felt something on my back. And in a room in front of the basement, something just fell down. Even though there was no one there. Oh my god. We ran upstairs screaming. Of course, no one believed us, but that wasn't it. A few weeks later, I was back at her place. And then there was this really old plastic doll lying on the floor in her room. I asked her, wait, why does she have such a creepy doll? And she then told me that she found it in the basement when they moved in. I'm definitely scared of it. That was my spooky story. That's so creepy. I hate basements. I don't know how you all feel about it. Guys, what do you find scarier? Basement or attic? And all good things come in threes, so there's another spooky story from Matt. Sending lots of love to you, Becky. You are my favorite Toyotona. So, sweet. Here is my spooky story. Last year, I was home alone one day. I had my rabbits in the room with me. Out of nowhere, Fluffy and Blackie started Fluffy. Because of Fluffy, was that the inner impulse? My rabbits were trembling and the two of them were looking at the corner where my big lamp is. Then the light started to flicker. I ran out of my room and took both of them with me. Luckily, when I wanted to go back to my room, suddenly there was a shadow, but not from me or from Fluffy or Blackie. I thought I was just imagining it. The light was still flickering. I was so scared. Suddenly a picture of me fell down and I felt a hand on my back. I was so scared that I hid under the blanket with Blackie and Blackie. I hope you read this comment. You are the best. Thank you. And flickering lights, guys, that's a sign that something is present. I totally believe in that. That happened to me too while I was sleeping. No, down there when I was sleeping in my room. Then the Guardian came. And that was a new lamp, guys. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I would say I'm getting everything ready now. And we will start Operation Young Hee. The doll is being cut open. Guys, what's inside there? I don't even know where to cut it open. Front, back? No idea. From the back? So I see a seam at the back. Can you see that up here? So it could be that someone somehow stitched it back up. It could be... No idea. But we definitely need to cut through her dress first. Sorry. Unfortunately, it happened. Oh my god, I would be the first one to call out because she would be mad at me. I hope I don't have to play this. Just imagine that with a real-life doll. Oh! Okay, where should I cut her open first? Just here, like this. Oh my god, it's best if you don't look. It's a bit hard to get open. Maybe I need to hit the seam somehow? Yeah, I have a little hole. Okay, up here. Let's cut a bit further down here. Okay, this is easy. And I can already see something. Guys, I can already see something. What is that? A marble. I heard there was a marble in here. There's actually something inside. That is indeed. Is there anything else here? So here's the stuffing. There's something in the stuffing. Handcuffs. Oh, there are handcuffs here, folks. Very small handcuffs. What are they doing in there? What are handcuffs doing in here? Wait a minute, I'm going to take the stuffing out of here. There's a lot of stuffing in here. But then, oh my god, what is all this? Don't tell me. No, folks. Again, why do I have to do this now? Like the one that was also in other dolls, what kind is this? Why is it in all of them? Yeah, okay, with her it surprises me less. But that's another surveillance camera again, that we've had in so many dolls before. I don't know if that's some kind of common surveillance camera, but what is it doing in there? But it's lighting up too, right? I think maybe the doll must have somehow recorded me. No way. Totally creepy, but that wasn't it yet. There's even more in here. Can you see? You can't be serious. From the Guardian or what? What is this beady, guys? Here we have another marble. There's really a lot in there. That's why it's so heavy. Hey, don't tell me I have to play marbles. I can't do that at all. Have I never done that? I cannot. We have a shell in here. Probably because it's on an island or something. What's that doing there? What is this here? A pink ribbon. What kind of filling is that? That surely doesn't belong in there. If you have any idea what this whole thing could mean, yes, then definitely write it down below. We have a light bulb in here again. Didn't we have one before? Where was that, guys? What's that doing there? In there. A warning triangle. What does the doll have in there? That's just not normal anymore. That's a good warning. Yeah, good that she's cutting it open. What is that again? Another shell again. So this one was in there. I don't know if you can see this now. What are shells doing in there? This here. Today. That's creepy. Yes? In connection with Squid Game. Here's something else. A bus about Squid Game or what? What is a silver bus doing here? In there. Guys. No. Another one again. There's a number on it. Another invitation again. A Squid Game invitation. An original Squid Game invitation. And there's a number on the back. I think it's a different number than last time. Should I take a look? What kind of number is that? Wait, I'm going to check if anything shows up on WhatsApp. I'm saving it now and then I'll take a look. A picture is being shown to me. There's the number from... Guys, you decide... Okay. Let's not... No, let's do it this way. Leave a thumbs up now if I should call the frontman number that's on here. To call... That must be you. A picture was shown to me on WhatsApp. But what if I call there? But maybe we can somehow turn it around. That I don't have to participate. Because I didn't officially agree. I didn't give my date of birth or my full name when I called. That means I didn't really agree about the game.
That means the Guardian can't just challenge me. I didn't agree. Maybe we have a chance like this. I'll think of something, maybe with your help too. What can we tell the front man? What could help us maybe? But there was definitely a Squid Game invitation in here, but maybe not without reason. Maybe someone also wants to help us. That could be the case. What if that was player 456? But why would the god give that to me? I'll take everything out now. And then let's take a look inside the head. Let's see if there's anything else in there. Wait. Wait. Is that 100? No. Guys, so I don't have anything against that right now. Guys, that is 100. That's a real 100 euros. Oh, a bill. So, I don't know if this is a trap. They want to lure me in. They want me to definitely participate in Squid Game. They're giving me 100 euros right now just so I make calls. Maybe also now with the front man, and I agree with that. They want to test me. Guys, whether I spend this, maybe I have to give that back to the guard. Maybe they just want me to think, well, that's not bad, right? That's a great gift, but no one just gives you 100 euros like that. Without you having to do anything for it. Yeah, look, not like that. You would probably spend it, but I don't trust him. That's not normal. 100 euros just sitting here? I still feel something. Yeah, see? There's something creepy in here again. Normally, you have to participate in order to earn something. To earn something, unless they want to lure you in, hold on. In this dachi game, you also have to play in the first part, yeah, and then you also win money like that. So guys, I don't know, right? Or it's like this, so I play this dachi game with the guard. No idea. Look, I'm just checking here on the leg, but I don't think there's anything left in there. We are opening the head now. If nothing is inside, I do not know. There must be something in there. But will he get through first? Because what here is what something is already coming towards me. A piece of paper crumpled. What is that? Why does he really look like that? And a heart. There was a picture of Young Hee's friend in here. That boy at the very end of the very last scene. If you haven't watched them, then you've missed out. I saw him too. Guys, that's her boyfriend. And then she also painted her heart on it. He's probably even worse than her or just as bad. I don't even know. He definitely has camera eyes. The player is definitely watching from behind. Because yes, they could cheat a little bit. Wait, is there something in your arm? No, I don't think so. No, wait a minute. Something feels hard here. No, well, not at all. Okay, let's cut it. Open completely here now. Sorry. Guys, I see something dark here. Wait, what is that? We have a lock here. A black lock, but no key. And it's open. What does that mean? Is this supposed to be a key to something here? What is this here? What kind of slimy stuff is coming out here? Out? Ebbe. Guys, there was some kind of green slime in here. Can you see it? And what is this hard thing here? A shell. Wait, something else has come out here. Guys, there's a bottle in here again with red stuff. Is that a potion? Hey, I'm not taking that. Guys, no, I'm not drinking that. No potions for me? Wait, there's more here. Dude, if you have to play that... No, in Squid Game, then I lose. I can't do that. I can't do that. Can any of you do that? Imagine this. You have a few seconds, and then you have to solve the Rubik's Cube there. What's all in there? Wait a moment. What is that? There was a spinning top in here. Hey, I can't do that either. I can't do that. Is there anything else here? Filling. Dude, a huge pile. You only see filling. Guys, there's still a marble in here. A blue marble, and that's it. What's all that doing there? In there. Should I play with the Guardian now, or should I rather call the front man? You have to decide